Ito yung mga abangan natin pag yung mga Bacolod team nasa home court na nila.
Press yan galing kay Kurt Lactautau. GDL look to Salaveria. In trouble. A second remaining on the shot clock. Joe GDL to beat the buzzer. A long 3-point bomb from Joe. Lumusot si Ian Melencio. Will lay it up and in.
Hindi napapagod
Oo, lakapaguran. Naagaw ni Jason Mancao in transition. Going to the other side, eluding the defense of the much bigger David Teruel. One zoning. Getting past him. The teardrop is up, but no good. Melencio is back in after a short rest. Pass outside to Galman. Straight away free. Umalog palabas. Teruel with the rebound. Lieva, the cut. Shot fake. Goes up strong against Decoy Lopez for 2. Toligon, one-on-one against Hans Lieva. Had it in one-hander. No, Salaveria. Doing a nice cleanup job. Pag-blitz on that ball screen. Nakatakas. Tatlo'y nilagpasan. Napasahan sa ilalim. Si Dave Teruel for 2. As we wind down the first half, 10 seconds to go. Manila yet doesn't. Hindi pa in penalty, rather. Teruel, libre sa 3. Yes! Ian. Locates Enrile. High off the glass and in. John Fa again. Off to the races. Beating his defender off the dribble. Inside, Lieva. Gets that 2 points. Wahing gets into the paint. He scores plus a foul. Almost 3 minutes gone by. 3 minutes rather gone by in the third. Toligon, one-hander. Wala. Bumagsak si Jed Salaveria. Hans Lieva left open for the jumper. Toligon barreling through the lane. Pinasa palabas. Alfred Cedillo knocks down a 3. Sa loob, Alfred Cedillo shot fake. One bounce and a layup. Galman. Laid up and in.
Pinanunood ko yung mga
Alam mo, naalala ko si Coach Zaldi. May goggles pa yan yun sa Pop Cola, di ba?
He's one of the good, best.
Napabilang siya doon sa title defense ng Giant Lanterns as Kurt Lactautau will follow up the miss. Arjun Wahing with a 3. John Fa nagpadali sa kabila. Bola nakuha ni Hans Lieva. Wahing, Pinoy step, gets the basket plus a foul.
Narinig ko na naman yung Pinoy step. Talagang tayo yung here. The second half, the third quarter.
Decoy Lopez strolling down the park, getting 2 points the old-fashioned way. Approaching 2-minute mark. Umikot pero hindi successful doon si Cadron Zone. Meanwhile, John Fa
Floating in the air.
Decoy Lopez sidestep. 2 more points. Melencio. 12 on the shot clock. Ian gets fouled. Both teams are in penalty. Ian Melencio at the line. His first point here in the third quarter. 34 siya nung una, 37 nung second game. Decoy sa loob, pinilit na ipasok pa din. 42 seconds left. Melencio. Lieva, pull up. Yes! And 9 boards. John Fa, mintis. Got back his own miss. Umatake sa loob at nakapuntos ulit. John Fa with 14. Melencio nasundutan ni John Fa. Tatakbo dito ang Manila. Salaveria has time. Jet Salaveria will beat the buzzer. The first half.
Sayang yung tira na yun. Panglamang sana yun ng Bacolod. And I think
Salaveria.
oh, medyo nagalit.
Yeah. Did not like that hit.
Hindi lang maganda yung ano, yung
Later,
Ganda-
Bataan, wala din talo yan.
walang talo.
2-0.
Oh. Maganda sana yung pisa ng Marikina kanina. Kaya lang along the way.
Lieva swings it to Ian Melencio against Decoy Lopez. Between the legs dribble. Can't finish. Sa loob, Kent Giab will put it back in. Yun nga Pandun na instruction Tingnan natin kung mapasama tayo dyan. John Fa with a lefty layup.
Saka hindi lang chicken ang masarap dyan. Speaking of sabi ng chicken, nakashoot kagad si Ian.
Increasing his output as well with 15 points. Cedillo runner.
Another one, yung Batchoy.
Oh, wicked crossover. And a great finish from John Fa. Pumasok sa loob. Galman will float it up and in. Cedillo wants to post up Ian Melencio. Alfred. Wraparound pass. Decoy Lopez, the cut and the finish. Decoy with 8. What about Bacolod? Backdoor cut. Melencio will trickle that one in. Doligon will burn some time. Both teams in penalty. Doligon pull-up jumper short. Galman, Wahing, intercepted and stolen completely by John Fa. 6-second differential between shot and game clock. Will Bacolod foul or play out the clock? 2-on-1 situation. Joe Gomez de Leaño will score.
That's a good pass by Decoy Lopez to Gomez de Leaño.
Also great patience by John Fa, met by a double team.
Convert at 2 or 3, whatever it is, but they have to foul right away.
Because time not underside, clearly. Galman. Attacks, pinasahan si Ian Melencio for 3. Wala. Bola na tapik, palabas. Possession, mapupunta sa Manila.
Very clear yung tawag ng referee na yun. Nakita niya talaga, tinapik ng one of the Bacolod players, palabas yung bola.
Can't locate an open teammate. Now it's with John Fa. Release pass. Joe Gomez de Leaño. Decoy Lopez will score. Putting the nail in the coffin.
Yes, I think that's it for Bacolod.
And it's a turnover. And Manila will pick up their first victory after dropping their first 2 assignments, while Bacolod suffering their second straight loss.